Hi guys, today we'll show you how to use automatic parking feature in Volvo XC40, and actually have somebody who have never tried to do it before. So we'll actually show you how it's done, and we'll see how easy it is to do it on your own. So first of all, we have to go to vehicle settings by sliding to the right, and here you will see the park in button right here. This is something that we have to press once we approach our parking spot. So our parking spot is actually in front of that gray Mazda between two vehicles, and we'll be doing the parallel parking using this system. So right now we can actually drive forward slowly, just show the left turn signal, and so as soon as we approach the a parking spot, we have to press this button and it will start scanning for the spots on the right. Now it says that it has found the spot. So what I have to do right now, is it says continue forward and follow instructions. So maybe keep going forward a little bit until it says us to stop. So now we have to follow these commands. Select reverse gear now. Reverse gear, and at this point let go of the steering wheel. Just let go. No, don't turn it. Don't turn it. Yeah, see, it cancelled, so we have to start again. Alright guys, we'll do the second attempt. Again, we are slowly approaching the parking spot. We have to press the parking button. Right now the vehicle will start to search for the parking spots. So it actually found one behind the gray car. We don't need that. Keep going. So we need the one between the two cars, and there it is. It found the second one. So at this point it will tell us to again select reverse gear. We will do that, and now at this point just release the brake pedal. Don't touch the steering wheel, and the vehicle starts to do the work itself. So it steers the vehicle itself. All you have to do is to slowly control the brake pedal. This spot is quite big, but this system actually works with small parking spots as well. And look at that, it steers on its own, chooses the right angle, and gives instructions and gets quite close to the curb. Keep going until you see this line disappearing, and after it disappears we'll actually get a new command from the vehicle. It says stop and put it in forward gear. So it gets quite close to the vehicle behind us, and at this point again it turns the steering wheel to correct the vehicle, to make it parallel to the curb. Yeah, keep going slowly. We still have enough room from the curb to the vehicle. Keep going, and yeah, that's it. It's done. The vehicle has parked our Volvo itself. At this point we can engage the parking, press the parking button and turn off the vehicle. What else we can do is we can use the park out function. There are a couple of ways how to access it. First of all, if you tap on the screen, that here it is right here. If you don't have the 360-degree view at the moment, you can actually go back to the functions, and here it is again, park out function. This allows us under certain conditions to get the vehicle out of the parking spot. So let's try it again. Just press this one. And again we have to follow the commands. So it says use blinker to choose side, press left. It says reverse gear, release steering wheel, press OK right now, so you acknowledge the command, and reverse gear. Release the parking brake slowly. The brake itself, yeah, sorry. Keep going until, yeah, see what it does. It just actually starts turning right away. Go slow. Slowly, yeah. Keep going. Stop. So we have the next command. It says stop and put in forward gear. Let's do that. Again, the vehicle turns the steering wheel on its own. Yes, and yeah, release. Always, guys, make sure there is nobody behind you. Check your rear view mirrors. Sure. But okay, the vehicle actually says us that park out is complete, so it helped us to get the vehicle out of the parking spot, and at this point we take control of the vehicle. Alright guys, we'll show you one more parking feature that this vehicle has. So besides parallel parking, it can also do perpendicular parking using the same parking function. So again, two ways to access it. Either from here, you can press park in if you have the 360-degree view screen on, or you can press it from here. So same idea, we will start moving slowly forward and we'll press this button now. So at this point, the vehicle will start scanning for spots on the right using the ultrasound. So scanning right now. Keep close to the spot. So the distance shouldn't exceed 1.5 meters from the spot. Should be 1.5 or less. And yes, we can go. Let's go forward. So likely we will actually find this spot first, a couple of spots before this vehicle, and the system will let us know. But the one we are looking for is between the Acura and this concrete beam. Yeah, just keep going. Okay, so it found one spot. That's the one behind the dark Mazda. Let's keep going because we don't need this one. And so yeah, it keeps scanning. So it already saw the spot, I believe. So keep going. And yeah, it says slot found, stop to park. So let's stop. And at this point, it tells us to select reverse gear. Let's do that. And again, now we release the brake pedal and the vehicle will basically park itself in the spot. Right away it starts to turn the steering wheel. If once you gain some experience with this, you can actually do it faster. At this point we are just learning, and we are showing you guys how it has been done. So the vehicle at this point, I think it actually going quite close to the beam, so it might change its trajectory by stopping close to the beam, or maybe not. Yeah, just go slowly. Yeah, keep going. You keep going slowly at this point. Okay, now stop. Now it tells us to stop and put it in forward gear. And as I said, this parking will be done in 2 steps. So again, release brakes and keep going. So in order to avoid the concrete beam, the vehicle actually chooses another trajectory. So again, it tells us to stop and put it in reverse. Let's do that. And again, it controls the steering right now. It just tells you when to stop and start moving. And at this point, as you can tell, we are entering the spot almost perfectly. The vehicle puts itself in between the concrete beam and the Acura on the right side. Very, very cool. Okay, it's complete. Yeah, you can put the parking, yeah, engage the parking mode, and it's pretty much done. So as you could see, guys, it is pretty straightforward operation. Can be done by anybody with very little practice, and it will definitely help you park the vehicle in certain situations. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Thank you.